First, open the explosion-proof case. Take out the drone. Drone remote controller. 3 pairs of propellers. 5000 mAh battery. Battery charger hub adapter. Remote controller adapter. 2 data cables. Included instruction manual, packing list, and operation guide, and the battery charger hub. First, open the explosion-proof case. Take out the drone. Unfold the drone arms. Take out the remote controller. Long press the power button to turn on. Take out the battery and propellers. Propellers are divided into clockwise CW and counterclockwise CCW propellers. You can also distinguish them by the black and white markings in the center of the propellers. White propellers correspond to white motors. Black propellers correspond to black motors. Clip the corresponding propeller into the motor tenon and gently rotate the motor. After installation, check if the motor is securely installed. Install the remaining propellers in sequence. Insert the battery into the battery compartment. Press the power button briefly, then long press to turn on.
Waiting for GPS search. If the number of stars searched reaches more than 20 stars, it can take off safely. 8. Toggle the operating lever to lift the oar. Push the left-hand rocker up. Airplane climb. Pull the left-hand rocker back. Plane landing. Push to the left. The plane turned left. Push right. Airplane turns right. The joystick in the right hand is pushed forward. Plane forward. Pull the right rocker back. Plane retreats. Right hand joystick to the left. The plane traverses to the left. Right hand joystick to the right. Plane traversing to the right. When the plane lands, pull the rocker slowly to maintain a constant speed. After the plane is grounded, pull the throttle lever to the bottom. Motor automatic lock propeller.
The Spear-3tc drone is equipped with a professional-grade tri-sensor, integrated gimbal, integrates 3 core functions: high definition, visible light, precise thermal imaging, and laser ranging. 4K ultra-high definition image quality, captures high-definition details. 640 x 512 thermal imaging lens, penetrates smoke and darkness, precisely locks onto heat sources. 1,500 meter laser ranging lens outputs the precise distance to the target in real time. The drone's hovering accuracy can reach plus or minus 1 meter, maximum wind resistance of 12 meters per second, equipped with 4-directional laser obstacle avoidance and downward optical flow positioning. Maneuvers flexibly between mountains, forests, and high-rise buildings. The obstacle avoidance function allows presetting of the trigger distance. When the drone detects that it has reached the set maximum distance from an obstacle, the drone will decelerate in advance and hover promptly. At the same time, the remote controller will display a red mark in the direction of the detected obstacle. Prompt the operator to adjust the flight path in time. Ensure flight safety. The Spear-3tc drone has strong power. Maximum ascent speed of 6 meters per second. Can quickly reach the operating altitude. Maximum level flight speed of 20 meters per second. Efficiently covers the operating area and shortens task time. After the task is completed, it lands accurately, relying on stable flight control.